Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report Facebook account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, easily what we're going to do, we'll go and open Facebook app over here as you can see. And so here, whenever you open Facebook, you can choose any account of these in order to report it. So for example, if I click on this account over here as you can see, so I have these three dots which are next to add friend. I can click on them and now here we have these options: report profile, help, block, and search. So I click on report profile over here, and now here we have the reason of the report. So we need to select a problem. For example, fake name, fake account, harassment or bullying, and so on and so forth. So if I click on fake account, so this is submitting of the report. So it says report something that goes against community standards, and these are the text as you can see, and you can read over here. So whenever I click on submit, this account will be reported, and that's how we can report an account on Facebook. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.